Strawberry tree. I didn't know strawberry grows on the trees. They don't. Oh, it's a Jamaican cherry. So this must be something that Jamaicans named strawberry tree. They always change it some name, like an avocado. They call it a pear. It's an avocado. A pear is a pear. An avocado is an avocado. Now they got strawberry trees. It's a Jamaican cherry. Why don't they just call it a cherry tree? What? I think I can get a job working here at the Home Depot lawn and garden section and be satisfied in life. It's right down the street from my house. I can walk here, play in plants all day, be outdoors in the sun all day. I mean, why not? This store also makes me sad because I don't have a yard. I'm about to show y'all what they got. They got mango trees, of course, South Florida. But I see a dragon fruit plant for the first time in life, in person. Look at this. Dragon fruit. They have dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. I don't like the red one. They have passion fruit. That would be cool. This one looks like a really big vine. Part sun. I can probably... Wait, good for trellis. It is a vine. I could probably grow this on my balcony. They have guava back there. Dragon fruit are cheap, by the way. Oh, I need a yard. I would have one of each. Guava. A cinnamon tree? I didn't even know cinnamon grows on trees. I wonder what it looks like. This would be kind of cool. I wonder if it's this. No, it's not that. What is that? This is a Logan. Oh, they have two types of Logans. This looks like another cinnamon tree. Oh no, this is a fig tree. Fig trees. Avocado trees. Peach tree. I would love to have a peach tree. What's this? This is another peach tree. Strawberry tree. I didn't know strawberry grows on the trees. They don't. Oh, it's a Jamaican cherry. So this must be something that Jamaicans named strawberry tree. They always change it some name, like an avocado. They call it a pear. It's an avocado. A pear is a pear. An avocado is an avocado. Now they got strawberry trees. It's a Jamaican cherry. Why don't they just call it a cherry tree? Whatever. Mulberry trees. I really want one of these because we used to have one on Carroll and I would eat them every summer. What else do they have? Olive trees. I heard that olive trees are really nice for landscaping and they're easy to grow. I don't like olives that much, so I would never grow these, but I would grow them for the landscaping. Here goes another loquat, Japanese plum. Ooh, grapefruit, lime, calamondin. What's a calamondin? I don't know. But this looks like you can probably grow it in a pot. See? Great for containers. I knew it. Low maintenance red lime. Ruby red grapefruit are my favorites. Low maintenance. But I need a yard for this because I would want to plant this and keep it there forever. Orange tree. I need a yard. What? Red navel tree? I really need a yard. Lemon attracts butterflies. Oh, come on. What is this? A Merquat. Honey tangerine. So you have loquats, Merquats, whatever. Snowbird citrus. I heard that I can grow these on the balcony. Okay. This is the other lime. Indoor-outdoor patio. Maybe I'll get one of these. But I don't even know what they are. This looks like a hybrid. November through March. November through March. I think I'm going to do a lime trees because I use a lot of lime. Alright, what else do they have? Lime, lemon, grapefruit. The milkweeds are back. I'll show you guys those later. Tangelo? What's a tangelo? Excuse me. Coming through. I just got scratched up by something. Oh well. Tangelo. I don't know what this is. Mango tree. Last year they had like Barbados cherry trees, but they don't have them yet. They might come out later. Great for containers? Are they serious? Because I would grow this in a container. That's actually a really good idea, because then if you ever move, you can take it with you. Is this the same one? This is just mango. This is mango curry. What's the difference? I wonder if mango curry, mango Manila. There's so many different mangoes. Mango Okrumnik. I can't even see what that says. These are $89 each. Mango Nam Dak Mai. This sounds like a Asian mango. This might be like a Taiwan mango or some shit. This one here, tangerines. Again, we already saw those before. Okran mangoes. Oh, it tells you who it's grown by. Alright, and then this one is a papaya tree. My coworker was recently saying she wants one of these. These things grow really tall and they have a huge harvest. These grow really well in South Florida. Strawberry tree. Why do I keep saying strawberry tree? There's no such thing as a strawberry tree. Or is it? Do you have a picture? Strawberry tree. I don't know. I only know strawberry plants. Strawberry tree. See, I wonder if this is the same thing as this. Yeah, it is. Alright, whatever. I want to show y'all one more thing and then I'm going to go. Oh, man. I'm telling y'all, one of these days I'm going to have a yard and I'm going to show y'all the amount of stuff I plant back there. I ain't going to have space to sit down. Okay. For all you butterfly enthusiasts, I just wanted to show you guys that the milkweeds are here. Someone just bought one that was not empty a minute ago. They're fresh. And these are really good for butterflies. Let me show you guys. They have local milkweed. There's all different types of milkweed. This is a local Florida milkweed, and so far they have no butterflies on them. No caterpillars, sorry. I threw mine out because I had to. They started redoing my balcony, which means that I'm going to rack up and get a lot this year and raise some more butterflies. I don't do the best with flowers on my balcony because a lot of them say like 6 hours of sun, or as you can see, 6 hours or more of sun, and my balcony doesn't get that much. Now it might. What is this? Ew. Disgusting. Are they supposed to stay there? Alright, now it might, because they cut down a tree, but I highly doubt it. So I try to stay away from the flowers because I don't get a full 6 hours of sun. See, like, this is good. Part of sun will be better. This year I showed you guys in my last video that I did seeds, but usually I always got them from here. They didn't do bad. See, this is what I know strawberries to be as. Not a strawberry tree. So I really wish they would change that name to cherry tree. Jamaican cherry tree, or whatever. Oh, butternut squash, butter baby. These are really good. Let's see. I do need to make a mojito today, so maybe I should just get this. It's only $3.33. I'm gonna get this because I need it for my video, and I can also probably bring it to work. Lavender. Just want to see what they have out now. It changes pretty often. Oh my god, my aloe, I would never get another aloe again. I brought one aloe plant and it turned into now maybe 6. The fact that they have jalapenos growing already lets me know that I'm far behind. Thai hot pepper. How are their peppers already blooming? That's weird. I need to get some soil. Mint is an herb that grows all over the place, so I'm just gonna keep it in a pot. All right, let's pay for this and get out of here because I know my dog is waiting for me. And wait, this is culantro. Yeah, I need to go. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna get this so I can make a mojito and put it in my tea. The smell of mulch. The smell of mulch reminds me of being a kid and going to the farm with my mom or the nursery and us coming home with a lot of mulch and laying it in our yard smelling so good all summer. Like mulch. Oh, I miss being a kid. All right, but let me pay. Hi. All right.